7 cars with engines that can easily last over 500,000 miles. Today, engines crossing 500,000 miles sound like a myth, something people exaggerate online. But there are cars on the road right now quietly doing it without making headlines. Not 200,000, not 300,000, but 500,000 miles on the same engine. That kind of longevity does not happen by accident. It comes from specific engineering choices and cars that were built with durability as the priority, not trends. Before getting into it, make sure to subscribe right now because content like this is all about saving time, money, and helping make smarter decisions when it actually matters. And while going through this, think about this question and drop it in the comments. Would you rather own a fast car that lasts 5 years or a reliable one that lasts 20? Because that answer says a lot about how you see cars. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser does not try to impress with flashy numbers. It quietly builds a reputation by surviving conditions that most vehicles never experience. This is a machine designed for extreme environments, deserts, mountains, rough terrain, places where failure is not an option. That mindset carries directly into its engine design, especially the V8 models that are known for being overbuilt in the best possible way. These engines are not pushed to their limits from the factory, which means less stress on internal components over time. Owners around the world have reported 300,000 and 400,000 miles, like it is normal, and many push far beyond that with proper maintenance. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord has built its entire identity around reliability, and its engines are a major reason why it continues to dominate long-term ownership discussions. Whether it is the 4-cylinder engines or the V6 options, they are engineered with balance in mind, not extreme performance, not unnecessary complexity, just consistency. That balance reduces wear over time and allows the engine to operate smoothly even after years of use. Many owners cross 200,000 miles without major repairs, and with proper care, 400,000 to 500,000 miles becomes a realistic target rather than an exception. What makes the Accord stand out even more is how easy it is to maintain. Parts are widely available, servicing is straightforward, and it does not demand constant attention. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry does not try to be exciting, and that is exactly why it lasts so long. It focuses on doing everything right without adding unnecessary risk. The engines, especially the 4-cylinder ones, are known for their simplicity and durability. They are not designed to chase performance numbers, they are designed to run consistently for years without major issues. That approach has created one of the most reliable sedans ever produced. It is common to see Camrys with 300,000 miles still running smoothly, and many go far beyond that with regular maintenance. The key factor here is predictability. The engine behaves the same way year after year without surprises. Drop a comment if there has ever been a moment where a simple, reliable car ended up being more valuable than something flashy, because that shift in perspective happens to a lot of people. Lexus LS luxury and longevity do not usually go together, but the Lexus LS completely changes that expectation. Built as a flagship model, it combines high-end comfort with engineering that is far more durable than most people expect from a luxury sedan. The V8 engines in models like the LS400 and LS430 are often considered among the most reliable ever made. These engines are smooth, refined, and built with incredible attention to detail. It is not uncommon to find LS models with 400,000 miles still running strong, and many continue beyond that point without major engine issues. What stands out is how well these engines age. They do not just survive, they maintain performance and smoothness, even at high mileage. Volvo 240. The Volvo 240 represents a completely different era of car design, where simplicity and durability were the main priorities. Its boxy appearance might not turn heads today, but under the hood, it is one of the toughest engines ever built. These engines are straightforward, with fewer complex systems that could fail over time. That simplicity becomes a major advantage when aiming for extremely high mileage. There are documented cases of Volvo 240 models crossing 500,000 miles, and some even approaching numbers that seem unrealistic. Maintenance is relatively simple, and the engine can handle years of consistent use without major breakdowns. It is not fast, it is not modern, but it is incredibly dependable. There is something interesting about a car that outlasts trends, technology, and expectations. If older cars have ever felt more solid compared to newer ones, share that experience in the comments because that debate is still very real. Hi, Ford Crown Victoria. The Ford Crown Victoria was not designed for comfort alone, it was built to handle constant use under demanding conditions. That is why it became the go-to vehicle for police departments and taxi fleets for years. The V8 engine in this car is known for its durability and ability to handle stress without breaking down. Long idle times, aggressive driving, and continuous operation were all part of its daily routine, and it handled all of it without major issues. That level of durability translates directly into long-term ownership. Many Crown Victorias have crossed 300,000 miles, and reaching 500,000 miles is completely possible with proper care. The engine design is simple compared to modern standards, which makes maintenance easier and more affordable. This is a car that was built to take abuse and keep running, which is exactly what makes it so reliable. Somewhere in the middle of all this, if this kind of content is actually helping, make sure to subscribe, because more breakdowns like this are coming. Toyota Prius. The Toyota Prius proves that hybrid technology can be just as reliable as traditional engines, if not more in some cases. Its engine operates differently, often running under optimized conditions thanks to the hybrid system working alongside it. This reduces stress and wear over time, which directly impacts longevity. Many Prius models have crossed 400,000 miles, and some have reached the 500,000-mile mark with consistent maintenance. The balance between the gasoline engine and electric motor creates a system where no single component is constantly under heavy load. While battery life is something to consider, the engine itself remains incredibly durable. It is a different approach to reliability, but the results speak for themselves. For anyone who thinks hybrid systems are complicated and fragile, this completely changes that perspective. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback offers a mix of practicality and long-term durability, with an engine design that stands out from the usual setups. The Boxer engine layout provides balance and stability, and when maintained properly, it can last a very long time. Subaru has improved reliability over the years, especially in newer models, making them more dependable than before. Many Outbacks have crossed 250,000 miles, and some continue well beyond that with proper care. The all-wheel drive system adds versatility, now allowing the car to handle different conditions without putting excessive strain on the engine. Regular maintenance becomes more important here, but when it is done consistently, the results are impressive. It is a car that adapts to different lifestyles while still maintaining strong long-term reliability. If this changed the way long-term reliability is viewed, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is thinking about buying a car that actually lasts. And drop a comment with the highest mileage vehicle ever owned, because those stories are always worth hearing.